Hi everybody, how are you all? It's Miss Penny again from Marengo-Union Library. We are here to make another craft. And it's circus time! Yes! We are making a fun circus train. Are you ready? Yes, I know you are. So the first thing that we need to do to make this circus train, everybody, is get all our supplies. Yes, you guys remembered. Good. So we're not doing any painting today. We need scissors. You will need something maybe to trace or draw with. So a pencil, maybe some markers, crayons, colored pencils, glue, or tape. Let's see. And if you want any like little things to maybe decorate your train with, you could have some of that. You could use paint if you wanted. I'm not sending any paint home with you, but if you want to use some of your own paint to decorate your train, you can certainly do that, okay? All right, whew. What I'm sending home with you is I'm gonna send home some craft sticks. I'm gonna send home some colorful construction paper that you're going to turn into a train. I'm going to send home the instructions to make this awesome train. Yes. Okay, let's get started. All right, we have some stuff to do. Okay, let's begin with making our train. All right, so the first thing we want to do is we want to take these smaller pieces of construction paper, because these are going to be our train cars, okay? We want to take them, and you're going to have two pieces of each color. You can decide what you want to do with them, and you'll see that in the instructions as well. So basically, you're going to decide if you want to make your train the same color with this, make your right here, the poles. Do you want them the same color as the background in your train? Like this. Oh, goodness. Here we go. Like this. Or do you want them different like this? So this one has orange and green in the back. This one's all pink, okay? Easy enough. Easy enough to decide, right? So what you want to do is you want to take a piece of paper and you want to accordion fold it. So we want to take it and fold it one way, and then flip it over and fold it the other way, and then flip it over and fold it again. Flip and fold until you have it all folded. If you have anything extra like sticking out that maybe doesn't fold evenly, just cut it off. No big deal, okay? After you've done that, I want you to take your pencil or whatever you have to write or draw with, okay? And I want you to just take on the folded part, okay? You have to look where it's folded, which I guess they're kind of folded on both sides, right? Sorry. Ooh. All right, you want to draw a line in here. I'm going to show you, okay? You just want to draw just like so. Almost like, mine's like a backward C, but I guess it depends which way you look at it, huh? Depends how I hold it. So you just want to draw like this, okay? Then you're going to take your scissors and cut that out. And when you unfold it, you'll see what that makes. So why don't you guys do that with me? Draw, cut. These you don't need anymore. Those can be recycled. And then look, it was so easy to do that, wasn't it? Isn't that great? That's when you're gonna do that with 3 or however many pieces. Well, 3, because that's what you're gonna have, right? Then you're gonna decide, do you want to put it on the same color background, or do you want to change your background up and make it different? I'm gonna make mine different, okay? So this is what you want to do. You want to put glue on the sides, the bottom, and that's it. You want to leave the top open, okay? So let's go ahead and do that, and then go ahead and glue those poles right on that you just cut out, okay? Sides and bottom. Remember, leave the top open. All right, and got it. Let's just stretch that out so it fits, and you've got one train car almost complete. What's not complete about this? Does anybody know? Yeah, there's no tires. We'll be making tires. Once you have all 3 of your train cars all ready, we not only need train wheels, right? Because train cars have to roll on something, but we also need, what do we need? Yes, we need, what do we need, guys? What do we need? The front train car. So let's go ahead and make that. That one we're going to use, oh goodness, if I can pick it up. You're going to use this bigger piece of paper, okay? And what we want to do is take it, hold it long way, lengthwise up, okay? And just fold it in half, all right? Fold it lengthwise, vertically, okay? It's going to be going this way. So if you want to just put glue just on the sides, leave that top open as well, all right? Actually, we're not going to glue it yet. I changed my mind. We're not going to glue it yet. This is where this paper is going to come in handy. We're not going to use the black white yet, but when you the other color papers, whatever colors you want to use, we're going to cut these into shapes and complete our train car, the front of the train car, okay? So what we want to do is just cut them into shapes, maybe squares, rectangles, triangles, circles. You can use it whatever shapes you want. The ones in the picture show squares, rectangles, and triangles, but you can use whatever shapes you want because it's your train, right? You knew I was going to say that. I went ahead and cut out already squares, rectangles, and a triangle. So I'm going to go ahead and just glue them. So see how it's folded? I'm going to glue up just at the top my square and my rectangle, okay? So I'm just going to kind of glue them up at the top here. Square and a rectangle. And I'll show you how it looks so that in case you're confused. Because I know sometimes I'm talking a little quickly, huh? I don't want to confuse you. All right. This square is going to go inside because that's going to be like my window. Maybe. All right. So I just kind of glued it up at the top like that because now I'm going to fold it up like this. And then that's like my, see, doesn't that look like a train now? Oh, except I'm going to put a little triangle right here. Watch this. Right about here. And I'm going to go ahead and glue, now I'm going to glue it shut just on the sides. So the top is still going to stay open. All right, here we go. There we go. How's that? Huh? What do you think? And the top is still open. I just glued the sides and the bottom is folded, so we don't have to worry about the bottom. Now we're going to add some wheels. This is where the black is going to come in. Take your black and cut circles for the train wheels. That's all. I did it. I've got my circles cut. So go ahead and if you need to find something around your house that maybe you need to trace, you know what? If you have a big glue stick, it actually works pretty perfect for a tracing tool, okay? You can trace. Otherwise, just kind of cut out some circles, okay? You do whatever is easier for you. I honestly just cut out a bunch of circles, but if you need to trace them first, I want you to go ahead and trace them first, okay? Oh, that one's a double. And then just put your wheels on your train. There we go. Now the train has got some wheels. It's getting there. What else does a circus train need? Right, conductors, animals, circus people, whatever you want to put in your circus, this is the time to add. So I have just printed out a couple of things for mine just because I wanted to be really quick. But your guys is, you can draw animals. You can go in a magazine and cut some animals out, or you can use the animals that are going to be in your instruction booklet in your kit. You can color them and cut those out, okay? You could really do whatever you want. Or if you don't even want to use animals, you can make people and put them in there. Whatever you want to do. It's your train. It's your circus train. But I just cut out a couple just to kind of show you, okay? I made an elephant and a ringmaster. And what's really cool is because we left the top open, watch, you can just put them in And then you can switch them out into the other trains. You can put them really in any train car you want. Oh, and he tipped over so we can't even see his face. Well, that's okay. That's okay. Come on, Mr. Elephant. Actually, you can even have them sticking out. Look at, you can even put them this way. You can put them however you want. So I put my elephant in there, and then we can put our ringmaster can like go in the front car. You could do your train however you want, or you could put the animals in the animals can be driving the train, whatever you want to do, right? Then you decorate it. You decorate your train car. This is where the markers come in handy. You can use markers, or you can use any kinds of decorations that maybe you have sitting at home. So you decorate it, or you can leave it plain. Not every train car has to be decorated. Oh, this black marker is running out, but it gave me enough to write circus. There's two other things that we can do. So there's one, so if you want, you can connect your train cars together. So you're gonna flip these over on their backs. Okay? Oh, my ringmaster's falling out. This is where these come in, okay? You just take these, tape them to the back, or you can glue them, but tape might work better. I don't think I told you to have tape handy. So if you don't have tape handy, that's fine. But then it'll like hold them together. See, now your train's connected. How cool. Now, if you have, and this will show you in your instructions. I'm not sending these home with you, so you'd have to use some from home if you choose to do this. If you want to make your train cars stand up, you could even put toilet paper tubes on the back of your train. You just tape them onto the back and it would make your train car stand. And that would be really cool too. That's it though. Easy peasy, fun, cool looking, and we get our circus started. All right, you guys, have so much fun making this. Send in pictures if you want, show us pictures, bring it in, whatever you want to do, but have fun making it. And we hope to see you reading. We hope to see you coming into programs. We just hope to see you. Have fun. Bye, everybody.